Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com. First, you'll have to open monday.com on your browser and log in into your account. Then once you open it, you will find here on the top right corner this option, integrate. Just click on it, and after that it will show you all of these options. And now you have to search for Slack. So here, as you can see, I have it right here. Just click on it. Then here you will have many templates. You can choose any one that you need, but here in my case I'll use this template right here. So click on use template. Then it will show you this option. Click on connect, and after that you will have to give it the permission on your Slack account. So I'm gonna click on allow right here. You'll just have to click on it, and after that it will take a couple of seconds in order to load. After loading, it will show you this page right here. You can simply click on any one of these things, then click on add a new column, then add the timetable. You can also change the customization of all these foods, and here we are. Then click on create automation, and after that it will be seen just right here. Now we need to make sure that we have integrated it, so you should go back to the home page. Then here, as you can see, you have the Slack option on the top. When you click on it, then go to templates, it will be seen just right here in board automations section. You have to get to this section, and here, as you can see, you have it on, and that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new tutorial.